What did you say, Sharon?
What?
What did you say?
I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow. Make it. I am so sore now.
Right now it's quiet, but you know what? I can hear a rapids back of me.
I can hear the rapids too. That's okay. We'll do it.
We're floating down a real lazy river right now, but not for long.
So I washed off her wrapper, so I just put it in my pocket.
Jarvis is way up there. Oh, you know what? Jarvis is hung up on the rapids. I can hear it. You have a leak?
You have a leak. You have a leak? No, you have
Who has a leak?
You do. You have a leak.
Where?
Hang on to me for a second. I don't have to see again.
You guys are floating faster than me.
Grandma.
What?
Where's Jane? I'm Jane. She's Tarzan. Stickery. Ow, 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 ow.
I'm gonna be.
Sticker's this big.
Oh, I'm gonna be grounded here in a minute because I'm not deep enough. Unless I can paddle my way out of here.
You got me, I got you, right?
Okay, I'm okay. I'll just push my. I can push with my feet over here. Okay, I'm okay.
I know we're getting behind you, but you're slow. Jarvis is getting out. I don't think he wants to do all that. Jarvis, are you getting out?